Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to change your fav icon on your WordPress website. As you can see right now, I have the orange XAMPP logo because this website is running locally on my PC. So to change to fav icon, we will just press Edit Site, or in the dashboard from WordPress we go to Appearances and then Editor. This is the new block editor from WordPress. And now we will press the plus button, search for site logo, and here we can upload a image. I have this one in my media library already uploaded. Just select it, then press this button, use as site icon, save, and when you refresh your website now, you should have the icon. But now this image is also here, so you can just press on list view and press these three dots to remove the site logo. Now you can save it and you have your fav icon without the image. There's also another way to do that, which is a bit easier. You go to site logo again, press this button, and instead of uploading a button or pressing this button, you will just go to this link, site icon settings. This will bring you back to the old customizer from WordPress, and here you can just remove or select an icon from your media library. And then you can publish the image, and now you have the fav icon. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like if it helped you, and see you in the next video.